because I know that they make many sacrifices. Some of them come from Sulawesi to here, to Balikpapan, and I know that many supporters come from here also.
Selamat datang di sesi PreMatch Press Conference BNI Liga 1 pekan pertama. Pertandingan antara tuan rumah PSM Makassar melawan tim tamu Persis Solo.
So first, I think gonna be a tough season to us. In this moment, we need to play on Batakan Stadium, Balikpapan, and we're training here today, and I think the field deserve better conditions for the teams that want to play tomorrow. We already have many players injured, and we wish that nobody get injured tomorrow. Opponent team is a strong team. Come from a competition, Piala president that make a good performance. So if we want to make a good result, we must have a good focus since the first minute until the end and give everything. And I wish that our supporters that always make many sacrifices to can see our boys playing, come tomorrow and support this team because they deserve it.
Good afternoon. We know the team for tomorrow. We play against them in the Piala President. It's pre-season for us. We know what this team can do, what the strong points, and we have 2 weeks to prepare this match. So tomorrow I hope we can do everything we try to put everything inside of the field for can catch a good result.
Musim ini PSM Makassar hadir dengan kekuatan tim yang berbeda dari musim sebelumnya, terutama di pemain asing. Gimana tuh Anda melihat dengan materi PSM Makassar yang ada saat ini untuk menghadapi musim 2024 dan 2025? Terus yang kedua, kita tahu Persis Solo di Piala Presiden kemarin melawan PSM Makassar rata-rata mencetak 2 gol. Gimana tuh? Apakah ada antisipasi khusus dari Ramadan?
Yes, it's true. This season we have many players, not just foreign but also local players. It's totally different from last season. We lose important players, local and also foreign. So what we make on the past not count for the present, and if we want a good future, we need to work very hard on the present. It's true, Sananta scored on the last game that we play against them 2 goals. We know Sananta, good shoot, good speed, no need to have too much time to shoot to the goal. So tomorrow we cannot give this space for Sananta and for the other players, because Persis Solo is not just Sananta, they are very good players. And if you analyze and compare, they just comparing with the last season, they just lose Messi d'Oro as a key player, and they, in my opinion, they signed very good players also. So I think in this situation they are better than us. They have more time to prepare because they get more official games on Piala President and they don't change too much the squad. But now we need to work with the players that we have. And we need to leave the present and work hard on the present for we can have a good future, because it's going to be a very difficult season. We must be humble and honest to see that there are other teams that have better budget, better facilities, have stadium, have the supporters, everybody here. And I want to give a word also for our supporters, because I know that they make many sacrifices. Some of them come from Sulawesi to here, to Balikpapan, and I know that many supporters come from here also, and tomorrow we need the support of our supporters for the players feel comfortable. Unfortunately, we don't win yet. We hope that tomorrow, if we make a good game, we can get the 3 points, but it's not going to be easy.